In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag on Freshdesk. Imagine you've just received a ticket on Freshdesk that needs categorizing or marking for further action. Maybe you need a smart, efficient way to organize and find these tickets later. Well, adding tags to your tickets in Freshdesk can be a real game changer for your customer service flow. Let's dive right in and learn exactly how to do this in about 5 minutes. First things first, you need to get into your Freshdesk account. So head over to the Freshdesk website. There, look for the login button. Don't worry, it should be pretty easy to find, usually right at the top corner of the page. Click on it, then type in your email address and hit continue. This is your gateway to accessing all the functionalities of Freshdesk. With you now logged into your account, it's time to navigate to the heart of the matter, your tickets. On the left panel of your Freshdesk dashboard, you'll find the tickets section. This area is where all your customer interactions are waiting for your magic touch. Click on it and you'll be ushered into the kingdom of queries and requests. As you're browsing through your tickets, you'll need to select the specific ticket you wish to tag. So go ahead and click on your chosen ticket. This opens the ticket, giving you access to all its details and most importantly the properties section where the tagging magic happens. Now focus your attention on the right side of your screen. Under the properties section, here you'll find the tags field. It might seem unassuming, but it's your ticket to organization nirvana. Click on it and you'll be able to type in the tag you wish to add. Whether it's a specific issue, customer name, or any identifier you use, type it in. Once you've typed in your tag, it's time to make it official. Look for the create button. This is what you'll click to add the tag you've just typed into the universe of your Freshdesk account. It's a small step, but clicking it breathes life into your organizational efforts. Finally, to seal the deal and ensure this tag sticks with your ticket through thick and thin, click on Update. This final click updates the ticket information with your newly added tag, essentially tying it to the ticket like a ribbon wraps a present. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tag to your ticket in Freshdesk, making it a piece of cake to categorize, search, and manage your customer service requests. Remember, the power of tagging isn't just in its ability to organize, it's also in the ease it brings to retrieving information. So, the next time you're navigating through the sea of customer requests, you'll be thankful for these little tags guiding your way. I hope this tutorial served its purpose and made your Freshdesk experience a tad easier and more organized. Keep exploring, keep tagging, and most importantly, keep delivering outstanding service to your customers. Catch you in our next tutorial.